like and subscribe my channel if you like this video, and let me tell you, please do try it at home because it turned out to be very yummy. Thank you.
I've taken a preheated pan. I'm going to take some oil. Now that my oil is hot, so I'm going to add some cumin seeds or jeera to it. So I've taken 2 chopped onions. Okay, I've cut that into small pieces, and I'm going to add the onions to the oil. Now you're going to stir the onion and fry it until it's golden brown in color. Now that you can see that my onions are half cooked, it has become half golden brown, we are going to add the ginger garlic paste to the onion. Now after stirring the ginger garlic paste with the onion, now I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes and some green chilies to it. I've taken only 1 tomato. So after stirring the tomatoes, onion and the green chilies for 5 minutes, I'm going to add a little bit of water to it. Now after stirring this for 5 minutes, I'm going to add the spices to it. So I'm adding cumin powder, some turmeric powder to it, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, and some salt. And then let's stir this for 5 minutes. Now after 5 to 10 minutes, you can see my tomatoes, my onions have all become mushy. Yeah. Now I'm going to add cream to it. So I've taken double cream over here. You can use Amul cream. So let's add the cream to it. And then you need to stir this really well with the cream for 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, you can see that my gravy is ready. So now I'm going to add the paneer to it. I've taken Amul paneer. Mix the paneer with the gravy really well. Now that I have mixed the paneer with the gravy really well, I need to add some water to it. going to cover this for 5 to 6 minutes.
Now I'm going to open this lid after 5 to 6 minutes. Everything is well cooked. My yummy paneer is ready. Now I'm going to serve this.